This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the GitHub Copilot extension and signing in with your GitHub account. This unlocks AI suggestions. Once done, enable the extension for the current workspace and grant the permission prompt so Copilot can read files. Make sure your subscription or trial is active. Without it, you'll see limited responses. You're not just installing, you're authorizing access so Copilot can analyze context and offer relevant code, which is why those permissions matter. You now interact with Copilot by typing code or descriptive comments. It generates inline suggestions which you can accept with Tab or preview with Control plus Enter. Once a suggestion appears, evaluate it for correctness and style, then accept, edit, or reject it. Editing clarifies future suggestions. Use natural language prompts like Generate Unit Test for X to get targeted output and repeat the cycle. Prompt, review, refine. This iterative flow ensures the assistant aligns with your coding standards and project needs. You finish by configuring Copilot to match your workflow. Set suggestion frequency, preferred languages, and keyboard shortcuts for quick acceptance. Once configured, use it to scaffold features, write tests, and refactor code. Make sure to review generated code for security and licensing. If suggestions stop appearing, reload the VS Code window, confirm you're signed in, and temporarily disable other completion extensions that may conflict. This one troubleshooting step, reload and re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.